Here are the Sony MDR 7506 studio headphones. This is a classic. This has been around for a really long time, and I've had this for over 10 years, maybe 15 years. I've had this for a long time, and during that time, the earpiece, these Earpads have worn out. So I'm going to swap them out with third-party Earpads from Brainwavz that I just bought. I tried to find something that was highly reviewed and that looked like it fit what I was looking for with just wearing this in a studio environment, and also when I'm the sound person on a film shoot. This used to be my go-to headphones. I've since changed to another headphone, but this used to be my production workhorse headphones. And I have the Coiled Cables. This one, I regret getting the Coiled Cables. At first, a lot of people just recommended the coil. You'll see the coil all over the place, and there is an advantage to it, but I think it has more of an advantage if you're a musician and you're tracking for an album. Then the coils come in better use. But when you're on production, I don't know about the coils yet. But I got it anyways. I'm stuck with it. These aren't that expensive headphones, and there's much better ones now. But I just didn't want to get rid of them because they've lasted me for so long. The band is still durable and strong. There's nothing wrong with the leather here or the faux leather. The case that it came with is completely destroyed. That case does not last very long. So let me just remove this. I don't know how to just pull it off, I guess. I think you just pull it off. Let's just pull it off. See what happens. There we go. This new one by Brainwavz has some openings that looks like air cushions. That looks nice. All right, let's do this one first. The speaker looks to be okay and intact. Nothing wrong there. Oh my God. Okay, that was a nightmare trying to put this on, but I think my problem was I tried to match the original, and I looked online and it looks like you just put it up like this. So here's the old one. This is a new one. I put on one side, not the other side. This is the side I just put on, and I wrapped it all the way over the entire earpiece here, versus on this side, the original, it looks like it just slipped in and it was able to be tucked in there. So you can see the difference here. This one covers over. It's a messier. I don't really like it. I wish it wasn't like this. I'm looking online right now, and unless other people have done it a different way, it looks like you just put it over there like that. And this one, again, is pretty nice and flushed inside. But, okay, let me take this one off. Okay. Oh, and this one's destroyed too here. And I got the new one. So now I know to just wrap it all the way around. So here it looked like there's a little place to stuff it in, but all right. So all I do is just grab it here. Now that I've done the first one, this one should be hopefully a lot faster. If you have big hands, I don't know how you're gonna do this. Okay, there you go. Wrapped it all the way around. Here they are. Looking good, looking fresh, looking sort of newish. Or, yeah, sort of new. Let me put these on. Okay, yeah, they're pretty comfortable. The Earpads were about, I think, $20. I'll put a link if you want to buy these ones below on the description section. And yeah, there you go. Earpads for the 7506 Sony.